So here we are being asked to integrate the function x cube plus x cos x plus tan power 5x plus 1 into dx from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Now the rule which we have to use here, that is, the rule is that integral minus a to a f of x dx, that is equal to 0 if f of minus x, that is equal to f of x. It means that if the function f of x is an even function, it is an even function, and that is equal to 2 into 0 to a f of x, 2 into integral 0 to a f of x dx, if f of, sorry, it will be integral minus a to a f of integral f of x dx, that will be equal to 0 if f of minus x equals to minus of f of x, which means that if f of x is an odd function, and that will be equal to 2 into integral 0 to a f of x if f of minus x, that is equal to f of x, which means that if f of x is an even function. So this rule we have to use it here. So here this we can write it as integral, sorry, this will be equal to integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 x cube dx, plus it will be integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 x cos x dx, plus integral tan power 5x dx, and limits are from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, plus integral dx from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So now here you can see, now if I take the function f of x equals to x cube, then we see f of minus x, that is equals to minus x cube, which is equals to minus of f of x. So it is an odd function. So therefore integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 integral x cube dx, this will become 0. And here we see that here, let's say the function g of x, that is x cos x. So now g of minus x, that will be equal to minus x into cos of minus x, which will be cos x. So which is equal to minus of g of x. Hence, this is also an odd function. So the integral from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 x cos x dx, that will be also 0. Now for tan, so if we take, suppose p of x that is equals to tan power 5x. So then p of minus x, that will be equal to tan power 5 minus x, which is equal to minus tan x whole power 5. Minus tan x whole power 5, which will be minus tan power 5x, which is equal to minus of p of x. So p of minus x, that is equals to minus of p of x. So this function is also an odd function, tan power 5x. So this integral from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 integral tan power 5x dx, that will become 0. So now here we have the function 1. Let's say we call it as q of x. Q of x is equal to 1. So now see p q of minus x, that will be also equal to 1, which is equals to q of x. Since why it is, the value of the function is independent of x. So q of minus x equals to q of x. So it is an even function. So only for this one, only for this function, the integral will not be 0. So therefore, if we take the integral as I, so then therefore the value of the integral I, that will be simply equal to minus integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 dx. So integral dx is x, it is going from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So this will be equal to pi by 2 minus pi by 2 minus of minus pi by 2. So this will be pi by 2 plus pi by 2, which is pi. So pi is the final answer. So it is the option C. Option C is the correct answer. Thank you.